In this video, I'm going to show you how to load a cutting tool into the spindle of the CNC mill. Before you do that, you want to make sure that everything's nice and clean, that there's no chips or anything on the tool holder, that the holder's in good condition, and that the pull stud is tight on here. If it's loose, we gotta tighten it up with a wrench. What I'm loading right now is a face mill. These carbide inserts are really sharp. They could do damage quickly to you. So I make sure that I cover the end of it with a rag, or even you could wear a glove if you wanted to just for this. And we're going to hold it below this area called the flange. The flange goes up, and if you have your finger or skin in here at all, it's going to get pinched when it gets loaded in here. So with all the tool in good condition and everything nice and clean, we're going to place the tool up into the spindle. The keys on here line up with the keyways on the tool holder. You're going to give a little bit of upward pressure, push the clamp and unclamp button. When it pops up, then you let go of it and it pulls it right up into the spindle. Now you want to make sure that those are lined up, the key and the keyway, because if you make a mistake and put it in like that, the machine will still grab the tool bit, but those aren't aligned. It's going to be a very dangerous situation. The tool could fall out, someone could get hurt really bad. So that's how you put the tool in. Taking it out, just the opposite. You want to grab onto it with the rag, push the tool clamp, unclamp button. Tool comes out, let go of the button. And that's all there is to it.